Hello folks, swing trading is a trading style which is used by traders. It can be from 1 week to 4 weeks. Here's a basic swing trading setup you could consider. 1. Time frame. Choose a time frame that suits swing trading, typically daily charts or 4-hour charts. Alright, so the next step is to identify the trend. You'll want to determine the overall trend using technical analysis tools like moving averages. For example, the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. You could also use trend lines or indicators such as MACD or ADX. Now, let's talk about the entry signal. Look for a clear entry signal based on your strategy. This could be a breakout above resistance, a bounce off support levels, or maybe a reversal pattern like a double bottom or head and shoulders pattern. And of course, risk management is crucial. Set a stop loss to protect your capital. This should be placed based on the technical levels that invalidate your trade setup. Typically, this could be below support for long trades or above resistance for short trades. So, let's talk about profit targets. It's crucial to define a profit target based on the potential reward to risk ratio of the trade. You know, this could be set at the next significant resistance level if you're going long, or if you're shorting, it could be the next support level. Position sizing is crucial. Determine your position size based on your risk tolerance and the distance to your stop loss. Generally, risking 1 to 2% of your trading capital per trade is a common practice. Monitor the trade regularly once you enter it to assess whether the price action is unfolding as expected. Adjust your stop loss and profit target if necessary based on new price action or market developments. Exit the trade when the price reaches your profit target, or if the trade setup becomes invalidated. Stick to your trading plan and avoid emotional decisions. Remember, successful swing trading requires discipline, risk management, and a well-defined strategy. It's important to backtest your strategy and practice it in a demo account before committing real capital.